Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to prep your iPhone for trade-in. Here's how to prep your iPhone for trade-in. First, back up your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now or use iTunes Finder. Unpair Apple Watch if connected. Open the Watch app, My Watch, unpair if you have any. Sign out of iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, tap Sign Out. Enter Apple ID password. Turn off Find My iPhone. Go to Settings again, your name, Find My iPhone, and turn it off. Sign out of iTunes and App Store. Go to Settings again, your name, Media and Purchases, and tap Sign Out. Remove Face ID or Touch ID. Go to Settings again, Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Then reset biometrics or tap Reset Face ID. Erase all content in Settings. Go to Settings again, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Erase all content and Settings. Confirm erase process. Enter passcode and Apple ID passcode when prompted. Wait for factory reset to finish. The phone will restart automatically. Remove SIM card. Use a SIM ejector or paper clip. Clean the iPhone. Gently wipe the screen and body with a microfiber cloth. Check for accessories. Prepare the box, cable, or charger if required by the trade-in program. Inspect for damage. Note any scratches or issues, honestly, for accurate valuation. Turn off the phone. Power it down before handing it over or shipping. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.